You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix Instagram nicknames not showing on your profile. First, update the Instagram app from your app store. Restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Now open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Here you will see fields for name and username. The name field is your display name, which can include a nickname. Type your desired nickname here. The username is your unique handle. After typing your nickname, tap Done or the check mark to save. If it doesn't appear, check your internet connection. The change may take a few minutes to update across the app. If the nickname field is missing or grayed out, your account may be restricted. Go to Settings, then Account Status to check for any violations. Also ensure you are not using special characters that Instagram disallows. Try using a different browser or device to edit your profile. Log out of Instagram and log back in to refresh your account data if the problem persists. It could be a temporary bug. Wait and try again later. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.